Christmas tree go?
Horribly. Time-consumingly. Any other adverbs you'd like?
Yeah, give me a few more.
Stupidly. Frustratingly. Are you ready? Are you ready for some Christmas? You willikers, Batman. Got it. 3, 2, 1. Oh.
You have made fire.
I've made Christmas fire.
Hey, he fulfilled the tradition, right? Huh? And he was free.
He was free.
He was free and we fulfilled the tradition. And we also have this one. Should I stop filming and help you?
Yes, I hate this part.
I always think this is a piece of slice. Is it? No, it's Santa. It's very old. It's from the 90s. Aunt Barbara made it.
He still wants to stay on that end.
Actually steady. I'll be able to climb it. Bella, what are you doing, Fatty? Where you at now? You've been transported.
Do you want another ride, Bella?
She looks like it.
Andrew, why don't you give her a ride?
What?
I'm sure yours would be more steady.
Yeah.
Like a cup of tea.
Yes, I would like a cup of tea.
Yeah, mine's not very steady since Bella's, well,
Take you up for a ride,
he has
Patsy.
a gland. You said that in one of the vlogs. So now I'm copying. Oh jeez.
All right. There. Right, you shift.
I know she can't stay
Choo-choo.
in one spot.
Why are you...
Why are you trying to force her into place? Maybe she's happy where she is.
Bring her upstairs.
Why are we carrying the cat around in a box?
Because she's not complaining.
Huh?
If she didn't like it, she'd be complaining. She obviously likes it.
You think so?
She complains every time we pick her up. She's like,
she's
Well, it's because she's got asthma. Her lungs can't breathe.
Bring her upstairs, please. Bring her upstairs.
I'm not so sure she likes it.
Why?
well, open it up. See what she's doing.
Bring her upstairs first and then open it up.
What are you doing, Beatty?
Oh, jeez. There goes the calendar again.
What are you doing, Beatty? What you doing, Beatty, girl? You want to go for another ride?
Take her upstairs. Please.
If you want to go for another ride, lay down. Don't worry about it.
She's
lay down.
purring and she's not trying to get out. That kind of tells me she likes it.
Yes.
Well, what's a box? Of course she likes it. She's a cat.
Yeah, but we've
Lay down.
been taking her around the house for like 10 minutes now and she's still in the box.
Lay down. Lay. Lay down.
Bella, do you want to go on another ride?
You want to go on a ride?
Bring her upstairs.
What's that about?
Bring her upstairs.
Oh, back in now.
Carly!
That girl?
What? We're transporting the cat in a giant box.
What you doing, fake kitty? You want to be unveiled in the bonus room and go, whoa, how did I get here? Now where are you?
She looks.
Where you at now?
Ow.
Where you at now, fat girl? What are you doing? You don't care as long as someone rubs your butt.
She looked a little confused when you opened the box.
She was in a completely different room. What are you doing?
You want to go back downstairs, Fatty?
You want to go downstairs?
Let's
You're going to fall off the bed.
transport her
Yeah, this way.
downstairs to the box.
Oh, this way. Lay down. Uh-oh, she's moving.
She's done.
Does it go? I like this room. I'll stay here.
She's underneath the
It's
bed.
much lighter. About 18 and a half pounds lighter.
Well, here, just put it in this closet instead of storing it in the garage like the other one.
Ow!
I
I think it's almost bedtime. What time were they getting?
12:45.
I don't have my Fitbit.
It's 12:35. They have 10 minutes and they will be in bed.
What? Really?
Yeah.
I thought we were decorating the tree.
We did decorate the tree.
We said we were finishing it
we were gonna
tomorrow.
finish it tonight. Did you catch that, girl child? 10 minutes. You need to be in bed, ready for sleeping.
We have had a busy morning so far. We've been running errands, and we just got our first Chick-fil-a gluten-free bun, and we're trying it out. So
Yeah. We haven't tried it yet, and so we're going to get our initial reaction on camera. Should I do?
yeah. So, is it as good as it looks?
Better.
I haven't opened mine yet. It comes in a separate package. The gluten-free bun.